Welcome back to Auto Explorer. The Kaiser Darrin is returning this time as a futuristic tribute to one of America's rarest sports cars. Originally launched in 1954, it turned heads with fiberglass bodywork and sliding doors. Now, Kaiser is reimagining the unexpected. The 2025 Darrin keeps the long nose, swooping lines, and signature pocket door so quirky elegance meets modern form. Word is, it may feature a lightweight electric drivetrain perfect for nimble performance and quiet cruising. Inside, a unique blend of vintage curves and cutting-edge tech will create an experience unlike anything else on the road. This isn't just nostalgia, it's individuality reborn. The Darrin is about to dazzle again. Stay with Auto Explorer for the latest on this rare revival.